I'm Michael Nizzero, and today we're going to talk about something a little bit particular, a way of killing the lobster, a way that I think is much more humane and a way that I think we should really move towards too. So here we are with the Crustastun machine. There's water inside, salted water inside, which help transfer the electricity, the yield, through the lobster. So there's a little sponge here which is wet, which will touch the lobster, and you will get the electricity going through it, and just really the animal will then fall asleep and won't feel anything. So it's actually so easy to use. You simply take the lobster, which is beautiful and alive, place it in here, nice and flat. Obviously make sure there's no tail or antenna coming out. It's slightly touching the water and the sponge is a little bit wet. Then simply, like a vacuum machine, you close it and you press the button. You wait for 5 seconds. And you release. Now it's ready to cook in salted boiling water or whatever you want to do with it. Cut it, clean it, pan fry it. You know now that you've respected the animal, and you will get better flavor also and better quality of meat.